老板，这个多少钱？
这个18.7万，
这也来不了，太贵了。
喜欢可以讲个价，我要的听你讲的对吧？买卖嘛。
那我要的话，怕你打我呀。
没事，小伙子放心大胆的讲价。
20，这个多少钱？
这个18.7万，
这也来不了，太贵了。
喜欢可以讲个价，我要的听你讲的对吧？买卖嘛。
那我要的话，怕你打我呀。
没事，小伙子放心大胆的讲价。
20。
Okay. Hey, Xi Jinping. Hey, Xi Jinping. Oh no, Xi Jinping. Pig head. Or fucking virus head. Just one question. Forget about what you and your people are doing to my people. How's he invaded my people, my land? How you doing the genocide to my people? Okay, forget about it now. Just one question for you. Xi Jinping. I know this one is your wife and this one is your daughter. How much are them? Can I just rape them and sell them to the prostitution market? Can I do that? Can I F your wife, rape your daughter? And give them the woman sterilized surgery? Can I do that? Can I rape your daughter? I don't want, but I just questioning you. Of course I'm not gonna do. We are Uyghurs. We are Muslim. We don't do that type of shit. But my question is for you, Xi Jinping. Can I do that? Can I rape your wife in front of your face? If I cannot, you cannot do that to my people too. Tell your people, stay away from our woman, our innocent woman. Tell your people, tell those nasty Chinese, Han Chinese invaders, stay away from my people. Stay away from our daughters, our kids, our women. Go kill the man if you really want. Go kill, do everything to the men. Don't touch those women. Okay, I know you want to do some shit to our people. Okay, just do to men. Don't touch our women. Don't touch our children. Xi Jinping, you pig head, fucking virus head. I'm so pissed off. The first video they did that to our daughter, little daughter, was like a couple months ago. I saw that video, but I was so pissed off like other Uyghurs. But I couldn't express myself. I don't know how to say that. What should I do? I'm so I don't know what should I do. I'm so helpless, so weak I feel myself. But they keep doing this. This is a fucking social campaign that is funny to them. In TikTok, they're just doing that to our woman. You can see this girl almost cry, but she tried to stay strong. This is not funny. Xi Jinping, tell you people, tell you monster Han people, leave from my land. Stop the genocide. Fucking Xi Jinping. Alright guys, I swear a lot today in this video, but I did on purpose. Because I want to stay healthy. Mentally healthy. This type of information brainstorm me. Like every other Uyghurs, what we're facing is horrible. Even we escape from China, but this type of news, this type of videos, how's he raping our women, how's he killing our kids, how's he destroying our land, our mosque, is destroying us mentally. Even we survived from China, Chinese communist country. but they're mentally raping us every single day. If I don't speak up, I don't express my anger somewhat, somehow, I think I'm gonna get crazy. So I did this time. I don't care anymore. That's why I call Xi Jinping pig. He looks like pig, he act like pig. And his people selling my people like a pig. Who is actually really acting like a pig? You guys are judge. You guys have a brain to think. Please guys, share this video. Let this video reach that Xi Jinping. Let him see this video. Then they might gonna stop their people act like pigs. I know YouTube or Facebook or Twitter gonna take down my video very soon. But before that, please take action and share this video to me, for Uyghurs. Otherwise, this type of tragedy never gonna end, guys. Please. And I will see you guys next time.